Okay guys, we're at Target and we're gonna see how many fidgets we can buy. So we found the XL Pop It. And we're gonna get this one. Let's see what else we can find. You guys, they only had 2 more left, so we're putting them in there. They finally have the collector's case. Guys, it's blocking the fidgets. I can't even get over there. Oh, here goes some. We got another Pop It. Is this Rubik's Cube a fidget? Oh, they have the mini one. We should get the mini one. We're gonna put it in the cart though. Hey, they have more fidgets over here. They have this. Oh, look, they have this ball. So you can put that in there. Let's see what else they have. That's in a package. This is like broken. We don't want that. Should we get a squishy? I don't think this is this considered a fidget? Ooh. This looks like a deflated. This looks like a deflated squish ball. So let's see if we can find another one. Ooh, look at this one. It's the same one, different color, but it's a DNA ball. We're gonna get that. All of the mesh balls are out of their packaging. Ooh, guys, monkey noodles, but somebody open them. We have this. We can only buy stuff that's in the package. They have these. They have the Fidget Spinners. Which kind of fidget spinner should we get? Ooh, they have a Pop It back here. That is such a cool Pop It. I'm gonna get that one too. I don't like the design on these fidget spinners. Let's see if we can find a nicer one. It looks like they all have glitter in them. But they used to have like character ones. This is like the best looking one I could find. So we're gonna get that one. You guys, this is so cute. This is so cute. But it looks like those are all of the fidgets they have. They have slime, but I'm not a big slime fan. Wish they had more monkey noodles that weren't open. They have really nice fidgets though. They have a purple one, a red one, a black one. But let's see where else we can find. This is the only one. And we have this one already. So guys, let's see what we got. Because we got this one. This one. I got a DNA ball. I love how this fits. The jumbo Werbies. We got the last 2 Disney mini rambles. A mini Rubik's Cube. The jumbo Pop It. And this foil squish ball. And so far that's all we can find. So we're about to check out. Guys, look at this Mickey Mouse car. It's so cute. Oh, it's right here. It's so cute. These are all the animations that Disney mini brands added. Oh, I wish I had one to put it next to it. These are exactly how they look. Hopefully, like in the next, if they create a wave 2, they add Moana. That would be nice. They have mini brand galore. So they have Disney Doorables Series 7, and this is all the ones you can collect. They have new Real Little journals. Oh, look at this, Mom, look at this one. It's a Real Little's journal. They have a lot of Disney Doorable Mickey's heads. They have Whiffies. Have you ever heard of Whiffies? It's new, I think. They have a ton of blind balls. Yeah, they have a lot. They have a full case of Micro Mart Real Littles. They don't have the new ones yet, though. They have a full case of Toy Series 2 mini brands. I still have to get those. But they have another full case. And they have the mini peek packs of the Series 7 Doorables. I don't know if I'm interested in really collecting Doorables. I have a few, but that's about it. Look at this snack bar. LOL Surprise House snack bar. That is so cool. You guys, look at this little cow family. They're so cute, and they have the little fox family, and a hippo family, and a penguin family. We're heading over to the American Doll section now. Because this is where all of like the mini stuff is. Oh, this is new, Mommy, look at this. An OG salon. This wasn't here before. This is new, you guys. Look at all of the stuff they have. This is where you can also get a lot of your miniatures from. They have new cars. This stuff right here is new. I love American Girl doll miniatures. They're so cute. And then they have this stuff. This stuff is so cool. It's only $7.99, and they have all miniatures. They have pets. Little snack bags. I'm getting this one next. I think it's so cool. They have a lot of stuff. A lot of new stuff over here. And those are the dolls. Comment down below if you like American Girl doll accessories. You guys, this is the cutest. This is so, look at the fruit platter. It looks so real. Here are some Elbow mini surprise. That's how they look inside. This is such a cute doll right here. Her name is Swag, because she definitely has swag. This whole section from there to like right here is all LOL dolls. And then in the corner, they stuff mini brands. I absolutely love this Rainbow High like closet, see-through closet. It's so nice. But it's, no, it's not 80. It doesn't have the price. Oh, it's $60. That's not bad. And it comes with accessories. Rainbow Highs is really nice. Should we start collecting Rainbow High? Dolls are so nice. Oh, look at this. It comes with all of them. It's $130. But they're so cute. Look at this one. And that one. Oh, look at this one. Comment down below if we should start collecting rainbow high dolls. Look guys, they have squishmallows. This is my first time seeing squishmallows at Target.